Hey everyone, this is Ram. During my trip to Goa this year, I stayed at this cozy place called Ruffles, and that's what this video is all about. My booking was for 2 nights for a standard room, and this was it. I found the mattress and pillows comfortable, and my sleep quality was good during my stay. Though there was traffic on the road, it was quiet inside the room. They did offer a fridge, but it was empty. The bathroom was clean and the water quality was amazing. I found the whole ambience of the resort peaceful. There is a beach located within walking distance from the resort. If you rent a bike, it shouldn't take more than a few minutes. My visit was during the onset of monsoon, so it was raining most of the time. And this made me completely forget about the scorching heat in Chennai. The only downside was that the room had a bit of musty smell and it went away after having the doors open for a while. I really wish the management did this before I checked in. Apart from that, it was nice staying here. If you're someone who's looking for a place to stay in Candolim, do check this one out. So that'll be it for this video. If you found this video useful, give it a like and click on the red button that says subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.